there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So last week I spoke about how you can move from singing more of those classical and operatic styles to singing more contemporary pop styles. I spoke about the 3 vocal setups, a lower larynx, a neutral larynx and a higher larynx positioning, and how you can really just bring out different tonal qualities and colours in your singing voice by changing these different vocal setups. This week we're just going to be building on those exercises that we did last week, and I'm going to be giving you a couple more exercises as well. If you haven't seen last week's video, then I would suggest that you go back and you watch that, because this week's video is just going to make so much more sense if you do that. But without further ado, let's jump straight in and do the exercises. So when you're singing more classical and operatic styles, your singing voice is going to have more head voice resonance in it. You're very rarely going to use chest voice resonance, and if you do for those really low notes, then it's going to be mixed in with a whole load of head voice resonance. And then when you're singing more contemporary and pop styles, then you're going to have more mixed voice resonance in your singing voice, and it's going to be mixed with more elements of chest voice. So that's what we're really trying to build into your singing voice when moving over from classical and operatic styles to singing more contemporary pop styles. We're trying to build in that edge, that cry and that brassiness into your singing voice. So these exercises that we're doing are just really going to help to do that. So now that we've done the exercises on the scale, if they're feeling super comfortable for you, then I want you to try them on your favorite song melody. I want you to sing a line, then do the exercise for a line, and then sing a line and do the exercise for a line, and just go back and forth so that you can really just build this into your singing voice. And let me know how you get on and if it's really helping you get into vocal setup 2 and 3. If you want to know what vocal setups 2 and 3 are, then watch last week's video, because then this week's video is just going to make so much more sense. But yeah, give them a go. Okay, so those were the exercises to really help you move from singing more of those classical and operatic styles to singing more contemporary pop styles. If you're new to this channel and you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. You can subscribe below, you can hit that notification bell, and also like the videos. Even if you're not new to the channel, like the videos. I would much appreciate that. But yeah, this channel is all about you. It's all about really helping you to pull more out of your singing voice, to give you more tools to add to your singing toolbox. So if there's anything that you would like me to cover on this channel, then please just leave a comment, and I promise you I will get it covered. It may take me a few weeks, but I will get it covered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty much it. But until next time, I wish you an amazing week, and I will see you soon. Peace out.